Yo, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy MB, ready to do the daily breakdown of the S&P 500 on the futures market. So today is Monday, April 1st, 2024, and we finally had some more volume coming into the market. It was still kind of slow coming off of Easter weekend, but there were a few different places you could have taken, so let me show you the best setups. So I've got a 15-minute chart pulled up where you can see Thursday. We were closed Friday, but you can see the gap up that we had on Sunday. So Friday we had news come out, but obviously the market was closed, so I was actually expecting the market to react bullish to the news, and that's exactly what happened. So we gapped up on Sunday and we held this level overnight, and you can see on a 15-minute chart this was our support zone. We created it here around 5:15, and we actually broke it pre-market this morning around 6 in the morning. I was up and I saw this and I really wanted to take it short, but I had just woken up and looked at my phone, so didn't want to place a trade immediately. But it was a nice break and retest of this support zone, so it acted as resistance and then it sent us down lower. And so we ended up coming down to this candle here. So this was our first sign that sellers were present in the market. If we were bullish, we should have bounced right here, but because we broke through it, not only did we break through it, but we retested this level and it acted as resistance. So there's sellers here. So now let me go into the market open. All right, so looking at a 5-minute chart, the first play of the day was actually a bear flag. So you have the drop pre-market, the pullback, and then the rejection here at this pivot point, as well as VWAP, and then this 30 moving average. And so this was about a 20-point drop from here. Now the best time to enter, in my opinion, was actually off of this support zone that ended up breaking. So this level I got here from last Thursday, this was a support zone on a bull flag that we broke below. I was waiting for a retest, but of course on Sunday we ended up gapping above it. So we break the support level a few different times, but then we ended up getting above it, and you can see that right here it ended up acting as support. We weren't getting any closes below 13, and so that's how I knew that this level of interest was still at play. So once we got this nice deep break below it, I was waiting for a retest and a pullback, and so we retested 13 exactly, and then it was a nice drop from there. So because it was a bear flag, it's a measured move, so you take the top, the low, you move your pull over to this high, and now the target becomes down here at 94. So from 13 to 94, I mean, you could have held it for 20 points. It was a 20-point move in about an hour. After that, the second play of the day was this break and retest of this downtrend. So we have this downtrend, we find a bottom here, we break out of the downtrend, and so you could have taken a long here, but to be honest, I was actually just waiting for a retest. So we reject the 30 moving average. We ended up double bottoming here. So this is your confirmation. You could have entered here where previous buyers were. I actually waited for to make sure that this area was going to hold. So we pushed up a bit, and I actually entered here at 88. I should have been a little bit more patient and waited for this 5-minute candle to close and got in down here at 86. But regardless whether you got in at 88 or 86, we really just grinded sideways all the way, and it took until the last 5 minutes of the day for this 10 points to actually play out. And then you can see that we actually rejected VWAP, but also this level of interest here. And this is the same level of interest that was created back on FOMC last Wednesday. So this 5301 level is still an area that I'm keeping an eye out for future plays to develop at. But that's pretty much it. The two plays of the day, you have the first bear flag, the double bottom, both offering 10 plus points. But that's pretty much it, and I will catch you tomorrow. I love you.